Are you doing what you really love? Are you? What happens if you do? Let's find out. So what do I mean by do what you love and the money will follow? Well, basically that, literally that. So that's the end of the video. No, only joking. So basically what I mean is that it's so important to do something you love in life rather than just doing something for the money. Because if you do things for the money, you're going to hate it and you're not going to get fulfillment from it, and it's just generally going to be pretty crappy all around. Whereas if you're actually doing something you truly, truly love, really no matter how much money you're getting paid, you're going to be enjoying your life. Now obviously if you come down to it and you're thinking, well, what about if you're not getting paid enough to cover your costs and your bills and that sort of thing? That's obviously a different situation and an important one, because ultimately you have to be able to afford to live. So obviously you need to earn money to pay your bills, your rent, mortgage, food, car payments and all that good stuff. But if the thing you're doing, your job, your career, whatever it is something you absolutely detest, then you can ask the question, what sort of quality of life do you have? Really, just basically working just to keep your standard of living where it is, you've got to ask the question, why? I want you to say hello to my friend Holly. Too funny, too funny. Couldn't resist that one. Doing what you love and the money will follow. Again, what do I mean by this? So imagine starting sort of day one, you've got no real cost, so you're doing something you just love doing and you might be getting paid a pittance for it, but by keep doing that and you've got that passion, it's something you love doing, you'll put your whole heart and soul into that thing. If it's a business you're doing yourself, then ultimately that's going to grow and grow and grow because you're just fully committed to it. But on the principle of creating an income from your passion, so profit from your passion, like I'm basically advocating in this whole channel, then essentially something that you actually love doing, if you're just concentrating on doing that and forget ultimately about the money, not so much forget about money in the case of, you know, don't monetize it or don't sell anything or don't charge anything, but don't be overly concerned with how much money's coming in. Be more concerned about the process that you're doing and the journey as opposed to the end goal. Because if you concentrate on the steps you're doing every single day, which if it's something you love doing, it's going to be fun. As long as you've got the right sort of, all you concentrate on is the money and that's it, it's going to be pretty crappy because you're just going to end up in this sort of ever-revolving door of chasing the money, chasing the money, chasing the money, and you elevate your standard of living accordingly. But the problem is then you end up just working and producing things just to really prop up your inflated lifestyle. So you might have the sort of the 20-bedroom house and 4 Lamborghinis and a yacht and a private jet, but if you have to work 20 hours a day just to kind of keep up that lifestyle and you hate it, what kind of quality of lifestyle is it? Where it's better if you're doing something you absolutely love and just concentrate on that and just enjoying your life and having a great life with your family and friends. Perhaps you may not have all the trappings like the big 20-bedroom house and the 4 Lamborghinis or whatever, but you've got a great life, you're enjoying your life, and ultimately doing that you're going to get much more success and much more money anyway because you're just doing what you love doing. And quality of life is much more important than a bag of cash, really. Yes, you need money to survive, but beyond that, everything else really comes down to quality of life. Now, I'm speaking from personal experience now. You know, I'm basically, I'm broke. There's no denying that. You know, financially, I'm pretty but I'm now concentrating on the process and enjoying it, enjoying what I'm doing, and helping other people like you to kind of realize their passion and go forward from that. So it's concentrating on the process and the daily tasks and putting things in place to kind of ultimately monetize the passion, as opposed to just thinking about, oh, I need money, which is also replicated in the law of attraction. If you're concentrating on, I don't have money, I need money, then you're sort of concentrating on lack, and that is not good, because if you concentrate on lack, you're going to be attracting lack. Whereas if you're concentrating on the process and enjoying it and being grateful and having fun, you're going to attract more stuff like that. That's the sort of bottom line, that's the reality of it. So again, another sort of energy pump video, because it's something I'm truly excited and passionate about. And if I can inspire at least one person to kind of stop leading a life that they hate and actually do something they love doing, truly love doing, then the money and the success and whatever success means to you will come. And that's that's an amazing feeling to see someone else do that. So that's why I'm here to kind of inspire, encourage, and in a good way enable you to create something from your passion, whether it be a full-time or part-time income. Just take that leap of faith. Are you truly doing what you love on a daily basis, or are you just working a job because it's more of a habit than something you love? I'd love you to comment below, because it's when you actually ask yourself this question, it's very interesting and go, actually no, I'm just doing it, and then often the rationale becomes after that going, well, I'm doing this because it's just what I do, and I'm married with kids and I've got a mortgage, and I just have to provide. But then you could start to do something that you truly love, and then turn that into something tangible and something that actually produces an income. So you don't have to just stick at doing the kind of crappy thing that you're doing every day just because that's what you've always done. Your life, and you are what you make yourself, and your life is what you make it, and you are completely in charge of that. So just have a think about it. Are you doing what you truly love on a daily basis? And if not, why not? Give it a go. You've got literally nothing to lose. You got some value from this. If you have, I'd love you to smash that like button so it's nice and blue, and leave a comment. As I said, let me know, are you living your life doing something you truly love, or just like and if so, why? And if you haven't subscribed, I'd really love you to, and appreciate it, and hit the bell notification if you haven't, because then you literally know when I'm releasing a video. And for now, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.